from creating new models of their plug-in vacuum cleaners and are concentrating now on these great popular cordless vacs. This is their best top of the line. It's called the Absolute. It comes with more things than the other ones. It comes with a direct drive brush head and also the soft fluffy head to use on your hard floor surfaces. It comes with tons of attachments, which you can see down here on the table. More attachments here at QVC than you will get at retail, and all for under $380. If sold separately, almost $559 elsewhere. So we have two colors for you, and they're both very popular, the blue and the red, and you can get it on 6 easy payments of under $64 or 9-month special financing with your Q card to make those payments even smaller. So free shipping and handling saves you $16.72. Let me just quickly show you what's on display down here on the table. So don't forget, you're getting the fluffy. Recently we had the animal on, which was very popular, but it did not come with the fluffy head. And a lot of you love that and insist upon it. This could be a deal breaker for you. If you want the new cordless with the fluffy head, this one comes with it. You're also getting the mounting system, you're getting the mattress tool, you're getting the soft brush head, you're getting the pet mini turbine head right here, you're getting the flexi crevice tool, the adjustable, what's this one called? It goes from a brush to a crevice. Combo tool, I couldn't think of that name. This is the one that you can attach to the end and make it go in different directions, like when you're cleaning a ceiling fan. So all of this included and at a great price. You can get it home, as I mentioned, for 6 payments of $63.33 with free shipping. So Debbie Fedyukov is here, who is our Dyson expert, and she's going to put it to the test.
I am. This is our V8 Absolute, so the most powerful V8 that we make, and it has all the tools that you can possibly need that you just showed them. I mean, you're going to be able to clean everything from your floor to your ceiling, even out to your car. It has HEPA filtration and so much more.
Love
so
it.
we made a huge mess to show you the power that this has.
Okay.
So here we go. We have pet hair, and I'm using the direct drive cleaner head. Remember, you're getting 2 different cleaner heads, so I'm going to show you both, but this is the direct drive. I love this for your wall-to-wall carpeting. Look at the way it just lifts away all of that pet hair. And now we're moving into pine needles. We know this time of year, these can be pesky. These can be difficult to pick up.
Invisible, and they stick to the carpeting.
They do, and it makes it so hard to lift them away. But look at the way this V8 just tackles them effortlessly. And even things ultra fine like this chalk dust.
And we put that on the floor just to simulate something like pet dander or stuff that you can't really see that's hiding in your carpeting. It picks all of that up.
Picks all of it up. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to show you how we dump it out, because this has a dirt ejector, which is great. So you never have to touch any of the mess. So there we go. We dumped it out. My aim was not very good.
That's okay. You can vacuum it back up.
We can. I am going to switch out the cleaner head now to show you that fluffy that everybody is loving. Because look at these huge piles that we have on the floor. These are lentils. Watch the way this fluffy cleaner head can lift away even big piles of messes. And what's great is it's not only taking care of the piles, it's actually dusting and polishing the floor as it's lifting them away. So we really love this fluffy head for our bare floors, for our hardwood floors. I use this all the time in my downstairs because that's where I have the bare floors. And then I use that other cleaner head for the carpets. Look at that blue sand, gone,
and
even coffee grinds.
So lightweight and powerful. You know, if you had a big plug-in vacuum cleaner trying to clean up those powdery fine messes, most of it would get scattered around the room before it got vacuumed up, and that makes more work for you.
Exactly.
But with that fluffy, it grabs everything. Look how it can go under small elevated spaces.
Because it's cord-free technology, it's so easy. There's no hassle here. You can get to areas that you wouldn't be able to get with a big upright. So we love it for under the furniture, under your mattresses. We also love it for going up high, because look at this. This weighs less than 6 pounds. So I just put that up top adapter attachment on, and now I'm putting the soft dusting brush. Now think about all of those places that are up high where the cobwebs hide, on the ceiling fan blades, right? Your crown molding, your recessed lights, your intake vents.
Right.
All of those areas that otherwise you'd have to get the ladder out and, you know, climb up, worry about the cord wrapped around your legs.
Or you've got it attached to a big heavy vacuum that tips over on the floor when you're halfway up the ladder. You know what I mean. This only weighs 6 pounds, and there's nothing tethering it to the ground, which is great.
Exactly. And then look, we can convert it into a handheld. So we have just done the floor. We went up to the ceiling. Now we're in a really powerful, convenient handheld. Again, no cord. And this is our mini motorized tool. This tool actually has a motor right in the attachment, so most attachments are air driven.
Right.
This gives you that extra power along with the V8 power to tackle the stubborn messes, like the pet hair before the company comes over.
Right.
Look at that.
This is great for pet owners. That mini turbine is wonderful. So again, this comes with all of these attachments at no extra charge, and they all fit on the vacuum, whether
Yes.
you're using the long extender tube or not. So here comes some features. Let's talk about these.
So what we love about this V8 Absolute is you're getting up to 40 minutes of run time. That's twice as much run time as our V6 and 150% more power at the brush bar, which is where you want it. We love it that you can take it out to the car. It has a larger bin, so you're going to be able to clean longer, dump less. It's super lightweight, less than 6 pounds, cord-free, hassle-free. So doing things like your stairs is so easy now. And it's ideal for getting those really hard to reach up high areas that otherwise you'd need a step stool or a ladder. We love it for the mattresses, the HEPA filtration, because when you're collecting the pet dander, the skin cells or the dust mites, it's staying in that sealed system.
Which is so great. Look at it, how easy with the handheld conversion you can do your blinds, your mini blinds, all of those things like shutters, like you said, the intake vents,
Yes.
all of that. And it's so easy now to go up high with a handheld. All right, so let me mention, we have blue and red. Red is very limited, and most people are ordering red ones. So if you want red, don't dilly-dally. You know what that means. You're going to miss out. We also have a great easy pay opportunity for you. 6 with any major credit card, 9 if you use our credit card, the Q card. Here comes the value on your screen. This would be $558 and $30 if you bought it at retail to get everything we're putting in this pack up. Our price on sale, $379.96. What a great value. Is that like $180? Wowza.
Wowza,
I'll
that's
take
right.
it. 6 easy payments of $63.33. Free shipping and handling saves you $16.72. All right, so I don't know why we're standing here, Debbie, because this carpeting looks clean.
It looks clean, doesn't it?
Yes.
But we're going to show you the power that this guy has. So look at the bin that I'm starting with. It's completely empty. There's nothing in it. And we want you to do this when you get your V8 Absolute home. Vacuum one more time with your current vacuum. Then go over the same rug again with your V8 Absolute, because sometimes the dirt is not sitting on the top of the carpet. It's actually settled deep down in the root of the carpet. And this has the power to drive down deep and get that deep down clean. So look, not only did it leave beautiful groom lines.
And she started with a clean dust bin.
I started with a clean bin, but let's see what we have here.
Oh,
Wow, right?
wow.
So-
All of that was hiding in that supposedly clean carpet.
Exactly. We might have been, kids might have been playing games on this, sitting down, relaxing, and look at all this dirt and debris, pet hair, pet dander that was sitting in the carpet that we couldn't even see.
So this really does an amazing job. This is your whole house vacuum. It used to
Yes.
be when we sold a cordless vac, oh, it's for the small spills. And, get the big one out for your whole house. Forget the big one. Leave it in the closet, donate it, whatever. This is your whole house vacuum. It's powerful. How long does it stay charged up?
Well, you can clean for up to 40 minutes now.
Isn't that awesome?
And it's about 3.5 hours to get a full charge and then up to 40 minutes of run time.
And again, weighs 6 pounds. It's got an attachment for every nook and cranny you might want to possibly clean in your home. And it's Dyson technology. So grab it and make an easier job for yourself of cleaning.
Absolutely easier. And in fact, it's a huge time saver. So we have this black acrylic floor here to show you how this saves you time, because I'm still using the direct drive cleaner head. So make note that you can use that on bare floors or carpet. It's interchangeable, but it has a dusting feature as well. So before, I might have had to get out my dustpan and brush and then my vacuum and then maybe my mop. Watch the way this not only vacuums and collects that dust, but it actually polishes the floor and leaves it shiny.
Wow.
And we use this black acrylic floor because you can't fake clean this. It shows everything. But look at what a beautiful job that did.
Fantastic.
And I did it in one quick, easy pass.
Not one tiny particulate left over.
Exactly. And even ultra fine particles like that. Remember, this has HEPA filtration, so it's actually trapping all of the things that we're collecting, and they're staying in the sealed system, which is great. So when you're...
And here's what some of those things look like.
Exactly. When you're picking up, the pet dander, the pollen, the dust mites, the skin cells, all those things that live on our floor surfaces are staying trapped in that sealed HEPA filter. And that's why we have the certification of being asthma and allergy friendly by the Asthma and Allergy Foundation
without having a bag. You guys, that's a big deal.
Correct.
Nothing is escaping from this dustbin until you dump it into your trash can.
Exactly, yes. So there's no cost of ownership either because you're never having to buy bags to replace. Look here, everyone asks me, is it really powerful enough to get the job done? The answer is yes. Look at this 21-inch deep crevice. Don't blink because you'll miss it. Look how quickly it lifts the feathers away.
Wow.
So think about when you're using this around your home and around your car, it's going to be able to get those stubborn messes. Even things like the broken Christmas ornaments.
That's a dangerous thing to leave lying around in the carpet.
Exactly, but here you can just pick them up. This V8 power is great. The mess is done quickly and easily.
That stuff on there. Okay.
Yeah,
it out of the way.
Yeah, and the coffee beans, that's okay. The coffee beans, big spills around the kitchen. The tinsel when you're decorating. It just takes a job and makes it so much easier.
And again, it weighs 6 pounds with the long tube on it.
Even less.
It's even less now.
Yes, and now it's about 3.5 pounds.
Wow.
I am putting the soft roller, or fluffy as we like to call it, right onto the handheld, so you can do that. You don't need to use the stick. We're going to clean up this glitter here because we know glitter is a tough mess. Look at the way you can see from underneath. This is picking up all of that glitter. It's just taking it away. And what we love about this is look at the soft roller.
I know.
It's not stuck with glitter, right? It's self-cleaning, so it cleans itself.
That's pretty amazing because glitter would show up
It
instantly.
shows up on everything.
Yeah.
We love it for our car, whether you have leaves or pine needles, or maybe it's going to be salt soon. Look at the way it just lifts all of it away, takes care of the mess. And then again, here's our crevice tool. So I'm going to show you, this is actually the extension hose. Can you see this?
I love it.
We love this because this is not one that you're going to find other places. And it allows you to get, think about your bookshelves, getting in all of those hard to reach areas.
Right.
And, things like here, let me put on the crevice tool here. Getting in the cracks and crevices around your home. Look at the way it just gives you that extra reach. Isn't that awesome?
Yeah. And again, we're out of time, but this mini turbine is so great for pet hair of any kind on all of your upholstery. Don't forget about your draperies, and also fantastic on your steps.
For
the
sure.
risers, it's just the right spot. So this is the one that comes with everything. That's why it's called the Absolute. You get the fluffy head, you get the direct drive head, and all the attachments that you could possibly want, all the most important ones that are the most popular at a great price. Choose the red quickly if you want the red. We also have blue. We only have 200 left in the red, by the way. And you're getting not only 6 easy payments with any major credit card, but 9 if you use our Q card. Over 580,000 Dyson cordless vacs have been sold at QVC. Just QVC. Yes. Very, very popular. Thank you, Debbie.
Thank you.
So one of my favorite clean